Okay, so we're just going to do a very quick video here on how to show you how to make the most basic version of a card, just using some cardstock, in this case a packet of neutrals, A4 cardstock. So we've got the pecan pie colour here, and I've scored it at 10.5, which is half of the 21 centimetres across. And now I will just cut it at 14.5, and I've got another video that explains why I do it at 14.5. And then we're left with a scored card base here. So as you can see, it's got a mountain on one side, a valley on the other, and we put the mountain on the inside of the card, match the corners up, and then press that down. And now we have our pecan pie card base ready to go. Now, given that our card base is 10.5 by 14.5, I'm going to make our layer 10 centimetres across by 14. So I've cut it 10 centimetres wide, and now we'll go 14 on the long part. I'm just going to use the liquid glue for this one. Stick it on, and we're just going to centre it so it's got border of pecan pie showing around the edge. That's why I love the liquid glue, because if you do pop it down in the wrong spot, you're able to shift it. So you get a couple of each style, and they're push out die cuts, and we've also got some in black. Now remember, being white cardstock, you could colour them if you have matching markers. I'm just going to leave these ones black and white, that'll be fine. I might add a little bit of extra pecan pie cardstock just to pretty it up. So I'll make this one an Easter card. Just cut off a little sliver. I might even make that 10 centimetres, 10.5 centimetres, so it goes all the way across the card. We'll have a play around with this. So, very, very simple version of a card. If you have punches, like a circle punch or an oval punch, that would look cute. You might want to punch a circle out, and you could pop that behind there. You could do all different shapes. Right, but just using the cardstock that you've got, pop that in the middle. If you've got any extra die cut shapes, or might even fussy cut the bunny out, maybe that, let's see, this bunny here, I'm going to fussy cut that out and stick that on, so I'll do that next. There we go. It's a little bit rough, but just to give you the idea, I'm going to use Stampin' Dimensionals to raise this up. Pop 3 on. He can sit up next to it on dimensionals. There we go, super quick and easy card. I would put a layer of white on the inside, but yeah, have fun.